guys? So I just wanted to show you the progress I've made on my project. Um, I won't go too in depth because I just did two videos previously and they ended up being 30 minutes plus. And I don't really want to do that again, nor I don't think it's very entertaining to watch. So I'm just gonna demo it. If you guys have any questions about what's happening, feel free to leave a comment and I'll explain my thought process. If you have any suggestions, feel free to also leave a comment. Um, but yeah, let's get right into it. And I will do some like explaining the past ones, the reasons why they've been so long is because I just go in a rabbit hole. So we're not gonna do that. I'm pretty much just gonna show you what's happening. I might show you like the logic for one thing and then it'll be done. So right now the login page is where you would end up for your first session join. The reason I say first session is because I want to use a thing called JWT token, which basically just stores a cookie. And yeah, and there's nothing here because I haven't done anything, but it'll store a cookie in your browser, and the login will look at the actual cookie, the token, and if they match any of the users, like the user token, to my understanding, that's what it's doing. Like I said, I haven't implemented it, so that's pretty much just me yapping. Um, but yeah, you wouldn't have to log in every time from your browser. It's pretty much that's why like whenever you go to Twitter or like Instagram, you don't need to log in every single time because that would be annoying. So I want ease of access for my users. Um, so yeah, for now, this actually doesn't submit anything. It actually is able to submit. Oh my gosh, I'm getting ahead of myself, bro. So this is the create user button. For now, this is like my test page. So I have this create user now, but I also need to get rid of. Oh yeah, yeah, it goes to Google. Um, it just crashed. I just killed it. I just killed everything. Yep, it's ruining. I just actually ruined it. So yeah, this navbar is buggy too. So um, I'm going to inspect the element because I want to show you like what's happening. So like I said, the login isn't working. It actually submits a user. So if we go here, I need to delete this from that looking at it now, but you have a username, password, and then you'll enter the password again. So we can do Alex password as our password. I have a button here that shows, and it'll show for both fields as long as one of them is filled. This button will show. So yeah, so we check they're equal. Yep. So we enter, and then it's going to. I will show you back here. This is just where I've been testing all my requests, my HTTP requests. Um, so yeah, I have a backend server, and that's what this is connecting to. It's all local right now. It's not running on anything, just my computer. So we see the username is Alex, and then the hashed password. This is just an encrypted password using bcrypt. It's a JavaScript library that generates an encryption for your password. That way, if anyone ever, for some reason, sees this information, they only see your username, not your password. Because, like, what are they going to do with your username? You know, they have to brute force. Like this encryption algorithm, I've read it's very powerful. It's my first time using it because I've never dealt with logins. So yeah, it seems very powerful. So ideally, you create your user, you'd log in. Um, Yeah, I don't care. You log in, so you'd like say Alex and then password. Let's check. I'm not gonna click it, so it's gonna create a user. So then when you log in, it would bring you home. I don't know why it keeps bringing that up. It's because it's a password field, but so yeah, this is what would be your home. For now, this is like my vision for it. So it'd be a grid view. I don't really know. I think I'd want it to be like random games, or I could even this this seems hard because I've never done it, but ideally I'd want a way for it to like show you games that like I think you would like. So I don't know what the algorithm for that would look like, but I can do some digging and perhaps I'll come up with something or find a solution. But for now, it's just showing all the images in my database. Um, and these images are actually linked to games. So if we see here, these are the game images that are showing. So we have like Sonic the Hedgehog, that's Sonic 1 here. Sonic 2 here. And so it is using the game ID. And if I go back to games, get all games, we can see, oh, we can see like number 8 was Sonic the Hedgehog 2, and we gave Sonic the Hedgehog 2 game ID number 8. So yeah, these are all linked to actual games in my database. For now, it's just Sonic games. I think I'm gonna have the option for users to upload their own games because I don't want to be going through every single game in existence. I will do a couple, but I really want to give the user like the ability to do that. It would also it would just help me. So I don't really know how to go about like verifying a submission. I'd probably like need another form for that where it gets passed through to like me and or it like sends me an email to check. But for now, it's just me using it. So yeah, that's what the home would look like and what I want it to look like. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much all I have in terms of like content. Um, so so yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna do what I did last time for my my last two videos. I tried explaining the backend service. So pretty much like my RESTful API, which is the thing that it gets the data and allows me to like post a new user. Those are called HTTP requests, and so my backend allows me to interact with or to carry out those HTTP requests using a thing called its RESTful API, um, and that uses I'm using Express.js for that. It's just a oh my gosh, a server framework. But yeah, I mean, I've had a good time with this. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. If not, hope you all have a great day. I will probably be back in a couple weeks with a new update. If you want to keep up to date with the actual project, you can go, I'll put it in the description, but you can look at my repo. I'll have my website and I'll link the repository so you can see all my commits and changes. So yeah, you can also go into discussions and just kind of ask me questions or any suggestions you want. You can go in here. So yeah, hope you all have a great day, and I will see y'all later.